Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to have pages side by side in Google Docs. First step is to make sure you have opened two tabs with the same document. If you have done that, then go to Add New Tab and search for Chrome webstore.google.com and then in this Chrome Web Store, simply go to Search and tap Resize. Tap Resize. Press Enter. And now simply open this split screen on Mac. Press Add to Chrome and then add extension right here. This will add an extension to your Chrome, so you can close this window and this window as well. Now go to the first document, press on extensions right here and pin this extension so you can see it right here. Click on it and then choose 50 to the left. As you can see, then just drag and drop your second screen right here. Choose this application and go 50 to the right. And now as you can see, you can view your first page and your second page as well side by side. If you want to see them all, just simply go right here and click on minus again, and click on minus until you see both of the pages like so. So this is how you can see both of your pages, kind of a workaround because Google Docs, as you can see, doesn't support it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.